Hey guys, this is how I made our creamy chowder in our steamer for dinner tonight. This is Epicure's creamy chowder mix. It is so amazing. It preps in 8 minutes and cooks for 25 in the microwave. Using Epicure's 4-in-1 mandolin, I am able to slice up the potatoes, carrots, and celery, quick and easy to use in the soup. I then put all of those vegetables into our multi-purpose steamer and 2 cups of water and start to cook for 10 minutes. To make our base, it's just the mix and 2 cups of milk. Once our vegetables are done cooking, we're going to add the prepared mix into the multi-purpose steamer and start cooking. It's going to take 15 minutes, stopping every 5 minutes to give it a stir. Once that's done cooking, you can take it out of the microwave and add a can of the clam nectar or any other soup food that you might like. And that's it, you're done. Isn't this an amazing soup? You can substitute it in all of your cream of soups. I'm topping mine with Epicure's fine herb seasoning. Creamy chowder is one of my new fall favorites. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to see the others at Cooking with Mama Claire.